The Kracher collection includes our highest quality wines. The Kracher collection is made out of TBAs. It's every vintage a different number because by nature, the botrytis, the noble rot, is not coming in the same concentration. And we are working with several different varieties because we have the big advantage of this diversity because of our very special microclimate. We are working with Welschriesling, Chardonnay, Scheurebe, Muscadot-Tunnel, Rosenmuscatella, Traminer and Zweigelt. And sometimes of one of these varieties we have 2 or 3 different wines within one collection, within one vintage, because we want to show what's possible with one variety in one vintage. They are showing a totally different characteristic. Our collection wines are all numbered because we have this diversity with all these different varieties. And every vintage goes from 1 up to whatever, how many we could do, that depends on nature. And the higher the number, the higher the residual sugar. Does not mean the better the quality, that's everyone's own decision. All the collection wines are single variety wines, except one, the Grand Cuvée. The Grand Cuvée is a blend of Chardonnay and Welschriesling. We love to do this blend because Chardonnay is for the power and for this citric finish, and the Welschriesling for fruit and elegance, for this nice smell of white peach and the taste of very ripe honey melon. And these 2 varieties together make for us the perfect harmony. The Grand Cuvée is also something like our signature, like our flagship. Not because it's the best out of the collection. That's everyone's own decision. It's more because it shows the vintage, the winery and the region in our personal point of view. It's like every restaurant has its signature dish. This is our signature wine. The Kracher collection is also in a limited case with 320, and each vintage there is a different design because the number of bottles is each vintage different.